Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You're here with your girl Jamaican Kim. So today I am going to take you on a little journey and I am going to let you know about all of the famous delicious street foods that you can find on the streets of Jamaica. Come along and enjoy. Yes guys, so here we have some baby shrimps and these are normally very spicy. So if you cannot take spice, leave this alone. You can find this on every street corner and anywhere that you find shrimp vendors, you're also gonna find crab vendors as well. You find some nice curry crab, very spicy though, but if you don't want it spicy, you can get the regular one. Yes guys, these you can find on most street corners in Jamaica. Very popular street food. Jamaican patty. Yes guys, when you're on the streets in Jamaica, you normally see those patty guys walking selling those very hot patties, and if you don't want to get it from them, you can always stop by a store. There are a lot of patty stores in Jamaica and have yourself a patty. Who know about this roasted yam? Oh my god, there's nothing like a nice piece of roast yam with some salt fish or salt mackerel. Yes guys, you can find something like this in the parking lot, you know, on the streets. Yes, you can check around, you'll get those kind of stuff. And if you don't want the roasted yam, you can have roasted breadfruit and also roasted corn. Now in most parts of Jamaica, you will find these guys. They sell hot dogs and burgers on a cart, and you tell them whatever toppings you want and they'll put it on for you. Yes guys, very delicious and affordable. Soup man. Now guys, this is one street food you would definitely find on every street corner in Jamaica. You're always going to find a soup guy selling those nice chicken foot soup, cow skin soup, all kind of soup. Jerk chicken. Now guys, jerk chicken is something that you will definitely see on the streets of Jamaica. There are a lot of jerk chicken vendors on the street. You can pick and choose from guys. So no need to worry. Walk and look and pick your favorite. Yes guys, jerk chicken is definitely a #1 street food. And anywhere that you see a chicken vendor, you are going to find a pork vendor as well. Yes, jerk pork. Jamaicans love jerk pork. Spicy or mild. Yes. Now if you're feeling for some nice seafood, there's a place by the name of Little Ochi. You're passing by, you can stop. What they do, you pick out the fish that you like and they prepare it for you right there on spot. Stop, have a nice little fried fish with some festival. Yes guys. Jamaican food is all about spice, flavor, and a lot of nice things. If you have not yet visited Jamaica, you need to take a trip and try out some of our famous street foods. Yes guys, I'm sure you're going to enjoy your visit.
Giants on your back. We have links in our Irish mash and cover a bit of ice in glass. I want to sweeten up with milk. Your nerves, your giants, and put zinc in your body. We have chain root, strong back, saucy pearl, Medina wheat, young banana, coconut root, topicon and cocky with a nerve with. Any light water I give everybody say current or reach property. Any what this boy they are yard, any liar. Anybody have a ignition when they start, then check up the long. Anybody picking off favor them. Contact number 883011.
That's the end of my video guys. I hope you all enjoyed. Please hit that thumbs up, subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Go ahead and join the family. It is free, and I will catch you again in another video.